shit look boot effing leg. How the hell they do that? I don't get it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we about to imprint Nola's paw on this little ornament I got. Let me show y'all what it looks like. So it looks like this little ornament, and it was only like $4.99. What? So we're about to do that today, and I think it'll be cute. Hopefully she don't give me a hard time, but she already crying. So we're about to do that. So let's get to it. Okay. Hey guys, so here's the box it comes in, and let me show you what's inside of it. So you get the dough, it's kind of pre-made, and you get the, what are these called? The shaping rings. You get two of them. There's a little small one and then a big one. Then you get a bow to tie on the ornament. And then a straw to make a hole in the ornament when you're done. And then a roller to roll out the dough. So now that you know what's all in my box, let's get started. So, let's see. I don't mess this up. I like how it's already pre-made. I thought I was like gonna have to add water and stuff like that, but it's already pretty much made. See, look. Mars shows y'all $4.99. I can do this for a kid too. Just saying. Okay. Do I keep my hair or? So I have my little roller and we are about to roll it out. Okay. This isn't going as smoothly. I'm confused. Wait. Am I supposed to do it like this? Oh, wait. Oh. I did it wrong. I think I'll do this. Oh, this. So I just got done rolling the dough, and I swear it took me about 20 minutes, but let me show you what it looks like. So this is a finish, the finished look. So I'm gonna pick her up and then put her paw on here, so I don't have to move it, because this took a long time. Okay, it took a long time to flatten this. Hopefully this is not hard, but I don't know. Wait, I know. Okay. This is gonna be hard. What if I put her on a table? Okay. Stand up, Noah. No. Stand. You got it. No, don't eat it. What if we do it? Okay, you ready? You're gonna put your paw. Yeah. This is hard. Okay. No, you gotta help me, okay? I'm gonna use this hand. I can't see. Oh Lord. Sit down. Sit. Can you sit? Sit, Nola. Okay. No, it's not food. Sit. Nola, sit. Sit down. I'm hot. I'm sweating. No, Nola, stay. How do I not hurt? I don't want to hurt her though. Does that hurt? Relax. Get your little paw. What the? This paw print looks way different than the one I'm. Oh crap. Okay. Y'all, this is harder than what I thought. I don't know. It took too long rolling this thing out. We about to get it done. Okay, you ready? It's okay. You want a treat? You get a treat after. You get some peanut butter. Christmas peanut butter, NOLA. Good girl. Keep your paw there. Keep your paw there. Yeah, yeah. Oh, would have been perfect, but she moved. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Okay, this is take 4, so this absolutely has to work. NOLA. NOLA. She's mad at me. And I think I got a paw print. I see her little paw print. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so now we're about to do the big ornament. I need my mama help. Mom! NOLA, just listen. I gotta help y'all.
Treat.
Bring her lower though, Mom. Hi. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You think, no?
Not really. You need to wet it.
It's been dried. I've been
Well,
struggling.
that's why. It's wet that thing or something.
I did that one,
Oh, that's better.
but I have another one with this one. I'm trying to do both. Okay, so y'all, the second ornament is a fail. It didn't work. I think I messed it up when I put water on it, but whatever happens. But we got one paw print, which is really good. So let me show y'all that one again, because you're starting really to see it. Even my mom said it looked good. She's like, why are you even doing another one? That one looks good. See? You see that little paw print? Hold on. There she goes. So I'm happy, I guess, for one. I really want to do 2, but whatever. I still might try after I'm done with this video. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and to hit that subscription button. Is it called subscription? No, it's not. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah. And leave a comment or whatever. And yeah, thank y'all. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Happy Vlogmas. Bye, guys.